don't come to Cambridge skate park unless you're a crackhead.
I'm stuck.
I'm saying you and LB with it. We're here at this skate park. It's called Cambridge Recreational Center. We were gonna do a skate park review, but guess what? Shout out to all the crackheads in Vegas. They locked down the skate park. So, I mean, Rum is still gonna skate for you guys, so you guys get a little bit of something. I like this park.
It's shady over here.
Alright, so shout out to all you crackheads that like to come and do heroin and overdose at the skate parks. Now it's closed because of you guys. It says Cambridge Recreation Center, but it looks like you guys made it a Cambridge Rehab Center, so fuck us, right?
There's another gate. I just landed on.
And even if you do hop the fence, there's a crazier fence to get to the skate park, so you can't even get to it. It's not even worth coming, so let me save you the trouble. Don't come to Cambridge skate park unless you're a crackhead.
I'm stuck. How are you?
Yeah, so that was a bummer. We wanted to do a skate park review of this park because usually people never come here. Like, it's always empty, so we thought it would be a nice idea, you know, have the park to ourselves, get a nice little review in. But, you know, it's one of those parks where it's always ghetto, there's always crackheads, so yeah, it's about time they closed it. Hopefully they make a new one that's better. I don't know, whatever. But yeah, that was our review of Cambridge Skate Park. I hope you guys liked it, and if you're ever in town, please don't come here. Peace.